Endocrinal system consists pituitary gland, thyroid gland, adrenal gland, testes, ovaries, out of which that thyroid gland is the largest endocrine gland in the body. Why endocrine gland? Because it secretes their secretion directly into the blood or poured secretion into the blood. Thyroid gland present above the trachea just below the larynx and controlled by thyroid stimulating hormone which is secreted by the pituitary gland present at the base of hypothalamus. That means thyroid gland is controlled by the secretion of thyroid gland, that is the thyroxine hormone, is controlled by thyroid stimulating hormone which is released by the pituitary gland, and that controls the action of the thyroid gland. Where location? The question asked on the thyroid gland is like right location, structure and function of thyroid gland. What is the location? In front of trachea, just below the larynx. In front of trachea, this is trachea. In the neck and just below the larynx, that thyroid gland, two lobes are present which are connected by a non-secretory band that is called as isthmus. That band is called as isthmus. It is actually bow tie shaped or butterfly shaped thyroid gland. Structure: largest endocrine gland in the body, bilobular, that will consist of two lobes, each lobe connected by a band that is called as isthmus. Thyroid lobe consists of rounded follicles, that means many cells are arranged and present in a rounded structure that is called as follicles. These are many follicles, and in between follicles there is the presence of stroma, that is connective tissue, blood vessels, nerves are present. Follicles are held together by stroma. Stroma consists of blood capillaries, nerves and connective tissue, while parafollicular cells or C cells are present in the stroma. The follicles consist of gelatinous colloid that is called as thyroxine hormone, that is T3 and T4 stored inside these follicles. These hormones are stored triiodothyronine and tetraiodothyronine. These two secretions are produced with the help of iodine, stored inside this cavity, that cavity, follicular cavity. Inside this follicular cavity, that hormone is stored. Which hormone? Thyroxine, made up of T3 and T4. Only one gland in our body which secrete their and store their hormones inside their structure. Secrete and store the hormone. Which hormone? Thyroxine, made up of T3 and T4, stored inside these follicles. Here, structure of thyroid gland mainly present in front of trachea, on both sides of the trachea, two lobes are present which are connected by isthmus and present just below the larynx. Each lobe consists many thyroid follicles. These follicles stores and secrete thyroxine hormone. These follicles surrounded by stroma. Stroma consists blood capillaries, nerves and other connective tissue. What is the function of thyroid gland? First function of thyroid gland and major function of thyroid gland is secretion of which hormone? Thyroxine, which is made up from iodine and other compounds. Thyroxine regulates the basal metabolic rate. What is meant by BMR or basal metabolic rate? It means our body shows the metabolism and basal metabolic rate. What is meant by metabolism? Anabolism plus catabolism is called as metabolism. What is meant by anabolism? To create the substances. What is meant by catabolism? To broken down the substances. Creation and broken down is equal to anabolism is equal plus catabolism is equal to metabolism. That metabolic rate of our body is controlled by which hormone? Thyroxine. BMR of the body is controlled by thyroxine as well as heat production, also regulated by the thyroxine, that is thermoregulation. That is called as thermoregulation. In hot temperature or in cold temperature, our body temperature is maintained. That thermoregulation is due to also thyroxine. Thyroxine regulates the metabolism by protein synthesis and promotes the growth of body tissue. Mental and physical growth of our body is regulated by which hormone? controlled by thyroxine. Therefore, mental abilities are controlled by thyroxine. Physical growth also controlled by thyroxine. Body cell development and growth also controlled by thyroxine. Thyroxine supports the RBC production, red blood cell production inside our body. Thyroxine maintains the water and electrolyte balance of our body. Our body consists large amount of water and electrolytes which are required for the consistency of the blood and which is regulated by the thyroxine. Regulates the reproductive cycle in females, like menstrual cycle is regulated by after puberty, regulated by thyroxine. Parafollicular cells or C cells produce calcitonin hormone and which play important role, that is calcium in calcium metabolism. Calcium level of the blood is maintained by which hormone? Thyroxine. And that calcium level is maintained by which hormone? Calcitonin. Which cells secrete calcitonin? C cells. Of which gland? Parafollicular cells or parathyroid gland. Parafollicular cells or parathyroid gland present just near the thyroid gland, which regulate the calcium metabolism by which hormone? Calcitonin hormone. Which hormone? Calcitonin.